Hi guys, Yanis here from Scan Heating, and today I'm gonna show you how we can use the multimeter to test the extractor fan if they're working or not. First of all, let me show you. This is the extractor fan from the boiler. I think the extractor fan I took out from the Baxi boiler, quite old. This is only the fan, there is no PCB board or whatsoever, and we will try to test the ohm resistance. First of all, let's show you the parts from the fan. Of course, the fan has the impeller, this one here, also has the coil from the ANC motor, and on the coil there are two positions. We can connect the power. I'm not sure if the camera can show you. Those two are the positions from the connection AC. Let's connect and see how that's happened. Very important, we have to go to my multimeter, to your multimeter, and go to the ohm or continuity, and then take the two probes and connect right and left here on the position we feed with AC. And yes, we have 75.2 ohms, which is absolutely normal. Let's see if that works in the reality. We will disconnect the multimeter and we will supply power and see how that works. Let me connect now the power on the system. In this case, it doesn't matter which one is phase, which one is neutral. Even the fan does not specify where it is because it's AC. Whatever position we use it, we're gonna have the same result. And let's do it. Yes, the fan, it works. And let's switch it off. I will swap the other way around to show you that nothing changed, and the fan, it works again. And one more test. And of course, the other thing we can check if you want is the voltage when actually the fan is on the power. Let's see how can I support a little bit the fan, and we take the multimeter now. Let's use that probes here. We have to go to AC voltage. We will turn the fan on, and we will check the voltage here. And yes, we have the 230. If we switch the power off, we will test it then, and we have 0. Sorry, we have 0. One more time, power on, fan works, 240. Power off, fan speed, voltage 0. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe if you want to support this channel and create more interesting video for you.